Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be exfoliating the skin. Here I have a exfoliator that you can also double as a facial mask. This is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. This can help to transform the skin. You apply this on your skin as a facial scrub, applying it all over your skin. Oh my goodness. And this smells amazing. So exfoliate your face with this for about 2 to 3 minutes, like I'm showing here. Exfoliate, exfoliate. Don't forget the upper lips. And if you have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads in your nose, you have those large pores at the side of your face, right here, you just exfoliate. Now what I like about this exfoliator is that the granules are so fine that it will not irritate the skin. Now once you apply this all over your skin, and yes, good for the neck also, neck and décolleté, then guess what? You can choose to rinse this off, or you can choose to leave it on for about 30 minutes, and that is going to help to tighten and firm the skin. Here is where you're now using it as a facial mask. You can choose to go back in. You can choose to add another layer over it after you exfoliate. Do whatever you want. It's your face. Just, enjoy this facial. Oh, this is so nice. Enjoy this facial scrub slash a facial mask. So do not click off. I'm sure you want the recipe. So let's get in the kitchen. Let's whip this up. And while we're whipping it up, I'm going to tell you all the benefits of the ingredients that we're using in this. Today we're going to be using oatmeal, and ground oatmeal can work as an exfoliant, slugging away dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. People may also use oatmeal for cleansing, moisturizing, and reducing inflammation on the skin. Oatmeal also have skin tightening properties that can help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin when used on a regular. So what I'm going to be doing with the oatmeal, I'm going to blend it to a powder. So reach for your blender and let's pour our oatmeal in. A quarter cup of oatmeal, add it to the blender, and now let's reach for our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is orange peel. These are dried orange peel. We're using this for its vitamin C properties. Orange peel helps to protect the skin from free radical damage. It heals dry, flaky, and itchy skin. It hydrates dehydrated skin. Orange peel also brings back moisture to the skin. Use your discretion with the amount that you use. Take a look. We're using around about this, which is about 1/4 of a medium orange peel. Orange peel helps prevent oxidative stress in the skin cells for youthful glow. It helps in renewing out worn out cells, work as a skin lightening agent, and it also helps to remove suntan. What we're going to do with the orange peel, we're also going to blend this to a powder. So we're going to add this to the blender along with our oatmeal. My next ingredient is green tea, and today I'm using 1 tea bag of the green tea. If you're using the loose leaves, go ahead and use about a teaspoon. Green tea is rich in antioxidants. It helps to fight off premature aging, treats oily skin, clear clogged pores, exfoliate the skin, reduce puffiness and redness under the eyes. It also helps to reduce wrinkles on fine lines and protect skin from the sun. Green tea is an amazing natural ingredient to use on your skin topically. So we're going to take our green tea and we're going to add this to the blender along with the oatmeal orange peel. Now what we're going to do, we are going to blend the dry ingredient first. So we're going to blend our oatmeal, green tea, and orange peel. Now after blending, let's pour this out. And this smells amazing, guys. So here you have your oatmeal orange peel green tea mixture. You can choose to pour this in a Ziploc bag and keep it in your refrigerator. It will last up to 6 months in your refrigerator. Use it up in your homemade DIY. There are many different skincare remedies that you can use this to make. So we're gonna use about a tablespoon of our dry mixture. And the first liquid I'm going to use is aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can use fresh or you can use store-bought. If you're using fresh aloe vera gel, blend it separately and then add it to the mixture. We're using a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to hydrate the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, cool the skin, and it is also great for clearing hyperpigmentation on the skin. My next ingredient is rose water. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of the rose water, add this to our mixture. And rose water helps to balance the natural oils in the skin. It can help to reduce the look of temporary redness. It helps to naturally hydrate the skin. It has antioxidant properties that nourish and protect the skin. It smells like roses and it can help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and diminish the looks of existing ones. And now we're going to blend this in, mixing this to a paste. Now once this is done, we're going to set this aside to infuse. So set it aside for about an hour or so. Do not place it in the refrigerator. Leave it outside. And now it's ready to use on the skin. This is enough for one application. If you want to make more, go ahead and double up on the ingredients. There you have it, a natural remedy that you can use to exfoliate and as a facial mask. Shrink large pores, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boost the collagen production, lift, tighten, firm, get rid of hyperpigmentation, and leave the skin with a natural glow. 2 to 3 times per week is all you need for this amazing mixture. Use it as a scrub today, use it as a scrub facial mask tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share what other ingredient would you add to this to kick it up the notch.